Hey, it's Rebecca Johnson with Be the Change, Change the World, and I want to touch on something that I've mentioned in two of my other video blog posts, and that is having study buddies, which you can also call them freedom buddies. Being part of the online MLM mentoring community that I've told you about, the Empowered Entrepreneurs online community, I've had the opportunity to make a couple friends that we've decided to become study buddies. There's a guy who actually made a post and he listed off the way that you can form a study buddy coalition. You can use it for a group as well. And I'm actually going to post that for you, the list of what it recommends for you, how to structure your study buddy sessions, your freedom buddy sessions. But the purpose of having a freedom buddy is having a partner, somebody that you can meet with on a regular basis, and you can check in with them about the successes that you're having, about the things you're feeling pretty hard on yourself about, stuff like that. And I just want to tell you that having a study buddy or several, I actually have several study buddies, and I've been having really positive experiences with them. One, we're really getting to know each other and developing some pretty cool relationships that who knows what they'll turn into, but the second thing is that I know that I'm going to talk to them each week, and I know that I need to be prepared for that. So it really helps motivate me, along with having a coach, to really stay on track. And like I said earlier, it's so important to be connected and choosing to reach out and find other people that you can help hold each other accountable, and most importantly, encourage each other and really be that voice of that positive influence, because it is so important to have that. And if you don't have that in any other area of your life, at least you have that with this one person who knows what you're going through and they're going through the same thing. And then you have the opportunity to give back to them, and almost like that pay it forward thing that I've been talking about over and over, that reciprocation. So freedom buddies are a brilliant strategy, a brilliant choice, a great move to make. And I can't tell you enough how important I think it is to choose to get into relationships with other people where you can hold each other accountable and support each other. Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, he talks about how you have to have this burning desire, and then you also have to have a friendly alliance. You need friendly alliances, and they're probably not just going to come knocking on your door and fall in your lap. You're going to have to reach out and be willing to be assertive and put yourself out there and ask for that. And then just stand back and be excited to see how it's going to unfold. I had no idea who would respond to my request for study buddies, and it turned out to be two really interesting, fantastic people that I wouldn't have ever met any other way. And so far, both of them have already added to my success, and I've had the opportunity to add to theirs. So I'm going to quit going on and on about this, but I will post the guidelines for creating a Freedom Buddy system, and I hope that you will definitely put yourself out there and find a couple, at least one person, maybe several, that you can really provide support for one another. And also, if you aren't able to find that any other way, please let me know, because I would be happy, depending on my schedule, to be a freedom buddy with another person or help you connect with someone else that's looking for a freedom buddy. So feel free to post a comment and see if anybody through my blog might connect with you, or I might be able to help you in some other way. So as always, I hope this tip has been helpful for you, and there's my phone, gotta go. Have a great day, be the change, change the world.